Oi, oi, oi. Want to get a nice live stream in today, and as soon as I got out here in Central Park, the rain came back. They said the rain would stop, but it did not stop. So here we are in the rain trying to get some coverage. How is everybody? You good? Back in New York City, trying to get back into the swing of things. Trying to get the live streams going again. And now I'm just tucked under a tree, trying to stay dry. There's the Bow Bridge. Fantastic, right? Oh my goodness, look at that. That's very peaceful. Very peaceful in the rain. Can you guys move? I'm trying to take a great video. Can everyone get off the bridge? Thank you. Thanks. Keep going, thank you. We can do this. Jesus. Why are they listening to me? Oh my God. Is it really that easy? Oh my God. All right, now they're coming back. Jesus. Oh my God. It is peaceful though, huh? What's up, Mike Long? How are you, my brother? Kind of bummed. I got to make something happen here. I had a whole plan for my live stream today, but the rain kicked back up. I think I'm gonna go to one of my favorite spots in the rain in Central Park, chill out, listen to some acoustic music, and call it a day, because the weather is absolutely not cooperating, which sucks. By the way, as you check out this live stream, if the video goes really, really bad, I got a second camera that I'm rolling with these days, and I'll put a full screen, high def version of this on my channel, Opie Radio, or Opie Unleashed NYC. Yes. But here we are. I'm just kind of under a tree. I'm kind of hoping the rain stops, because I did have a plan. But in the meantime, why don't we just wander? You're a Commanders fan? Good luck with that. No, actually, the Commanders are good, right? Let's call them the Redskins, though, right? It was stupid they changed the name of the Redskins to the Commanders. No one acknowledges that at all. Hi, Sonny. Good to see you, brother. Steven, member of my YouTube channel. What's up, Steven? Thank you very, very much. All right, one more slow pan, and then let's try to get out of the rain, find something cool. All right, here's your slow pan. Hi, Peter. Good to see you, brother. Here's the slow pan. Usually this pond is filled with rowboats. Not today, man, not today. This rain won't give up. All right, let's have a Zen moment. Let's have a Zen moment. The rain softly falling on the pond with the Bow Bridge, or is it the Arch Bridge? I don't know. That's the world famous bridge that's been in a million movies and commercials. All right, let's be quiet now. All right. Enjoy the sounds of raindrops. All right, enough Zen. Let's see what else we can find. It's gonna be a tough one, because the rain is just getting heavier and heavier. My God. And like I said, I'm entering an area where the picture quality might go bad. That's why I roll with a second camera. And I'll put an HD version of this on my my YouTube channel. Or if you're watching this already on my YouTube channel, full screen in HD. What? I know. That time travel is weird. So weird. Yeah, go Bills. Football season here. Yeah, we go Bills. Go Bills. Is this the year for Josh Allen and the Bills? Oh, God. If the Bills waste Josh Allen's talent and don't get a Super Bowl out of it, oh, what a disaster that'll be. Oh, it is the Bow Bridge. Okay. We're about to get on the Bow Bridge. Look at that. That's beautiful. My God. Stephen Nash with the Wicked Rain. Sure. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to attempt to get the rare shot. Usually you don't get this shot because there's tourists all day long. Let's try to get the rare shot. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, the rare shot. Usually this is packed with people. Alright, so far I didn't accomplish it. That sucks. Alright, let's go for the rare shot. Pretty cool. That's quite the view, huh? Quite the view. The ultimate goal is to get a video on the Bow Bridge without any other tourists. It's almost impossible unless you come very, very early in the morning. My God. My God, man. Problem is the people just keep on coming. Well, if you come to New York, just get here early and you can get the iconic bridge to yourself. But that ain't happening today. With all the farmers. Oh, moonlit. Something scares me about the water. Magnet fish it. Magnet fish it. It would be fun, I think is what you wanted, right? Dude, man, I love that magnet fishing thing. I haven't done it, but I think it's badass. I think it's really, really cool. Yeah, I can only imagine what they would find in these waters. Oh, I waited again. I was thinking I was going to get the bridge to myself, but that ain't happening. All right, let's move on. Yeah, if you haven't heard about the magnet fishing, these guys get these giant, strong magnets and throw it into bodies of water, usually in very old cities. And man, they pull up some interesting stuff. There's YouTube channels dedicated to the magnet fishing. I've checked out a few of them and it's pretty badass. See what I would do though if I was magnet fishing and I had a YouTube channel? And you know, my YouTube channel counted on me finding cool shit. I would go to an antique store. I'll go to an antique store. And then I would throw a whole bunch of cool shit in the water. And then I would film myself and my magnet picking up all this stuff. And people would be like, oh my God, he's got the #1 magnet fishing channel on YouTube. Not gonna lie, it's pretty cool. I wanted to go somewhere else in New York City today, but this rain is just a nightmare, so I was staying kind of local. But this rain will not give in. Morning.
Morning. Beautiful.
I love it. No complaints here. I don't know if you saw the lady. Okay. Oh. Ah, yes. Where are the turtles? All right, let's go for another moment of zen. That's the world famous Central Park Boathouse in the distance. People get married there, but you gotta have stupid money because they crush you. Been there for some private parties over the years. It's pretty cool. Gotta get a better shot of the boathouse. Oh damn, Mike Long just joined my YouTube channel. It says, welcome to WoW. One of the levels on my YouTube channel. Thank you, Mike Long. Look how excited I get. Thank you very much, Mikey. Ah, that is very, very peaceful. All right, let's keep rolling. I guess this live stream is just gonna be a stroll in the rain. Go right down to the water, you'll get a great shot. Just watch out for the alligators. People put alligators in the pond, so be careful. All right, no, I'm serious. You'll see. Oh my God, this rain won't give up. I think we got someone fishing over there, maybe. Let me look. Let's take a look. Twinsies. I noticed. I got twins in my family. I noticed the twins. Twinsies. Got it. Bro, you catching anything?
No, not today. I just started.
What do you get in here?
There are so many big carps.
There's carps in here?
Yep.
Because
We were here yesterday, and we catch like 40-pound carp.
You caught a 40-pound
Yeah,
carp in
I will
here?
show you.
Please show me. I fish out east. I do surf casting.
Yep.
Here, show the camera. Wait. Tilt it. Wait. Yeah, I want to see this shit. Holy fuck, you're not kidding. Let me just zoom in there a little bit. Dude, you caught that in there?
Yeah.
Hold on, there it is. I got two cameras, so I gotta...
Yep.
That's fucking badass.
Yeah,
I might have to get a pole, man.
Yeah.
You catch any of the snapping turtles on the line?
No, they don't do anything.
No.
On the line, no.
All right. Can you eat a carp?
What?
Can you eat it?
No, you can't take anything.
Oh, so you just throw it back?
Yeah, you have to throw everything back.
Right on. All right,
Yeah.
bro. Thank you for that. Holy shit, I've lived here a million years. I didn't know you could catch 40-pound carps in this body of water. I know this water's filled with turtles, but I don't see them right now. Sometimes the snapping turtles. There's a turtle. There's a turtle. Oh, they're all over the fucking place. There's a turtle. Abe says, why is every meeting you have with a person so awkward? Because I purposely do it that way. Mister. If you look close, you can see the turtles, though. That's pretty badass. I've told the turtle story, so a lot of people get turtles for pets. Oh my God, there's a ton of them in here right now. And then the turtles get too big, and they release them in this pond, or have over the years. So now this pond has, I don't know, thousands of turtles, for real. There's one poking its little head up. Oh, it's coming right up here. Let's see if we can get it. Come on. Come on, pop up, bitch. Pop up, bitch. There he goes. Pretty cool, right? Not bad. There's the boathouse. All right. The Bethesda Fountain. Some say the heartbeat of Central Park right here. My God. Oh, Abe, you're just trying to be a loser. You gotta go. Bye, Abe. Jesus. Why do people get so triggered so easily? It's so stupid. I want to get out of the rain. Let's go listen to some acoustic music. And then this rainy live stream. Supposedly the rain's supposed to stop. If it does, I'll pop back out and do a live stream from somewhere else in the city. All right, let's go listen to some music and get dry. This is about where the signal really starts getting bad. So if it does, just check back on my channel and I'll have a full screen HD version of this. One of my favorite things to do in the rain and the snow, thunderstorms, is get dry under this. Very festive. Listen to some acoustic music. This guy's been here for ever. I mean ever. Local legend. Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm in the middle of everything. Australia, I'm sorry. That's pretty badass. Got a pad for the show. For the show. For the show. Of course, this lady's babbling when people want to hear music. Make it about you. Me, 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 me. Oh, he stopped playing. Are you serious? Oh, the lady's just got to babble. Oh, God, the lady just ruined my acoustic music. Got an old-timey camera here. Stalling because I want to hear a couple acoustic songs before we call it a live stream. Oh, all right. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let me get a spot. That doesn't suck. Oh my god. Alright, let's go for one more view. Right about now I usually lose the signal, so once again, if the video's crappy, it's why I now do my live streams with a second camera, and I upload a separate video that's full screen and HD. Alright? Go Bills! Go Bills! Always. Oh, a little copyright action. Copyright infringement happening over here. We gotta babble, we gotta babble, we gotta babble. We gotta babble, we gotta babble, we gotta babble. We gotta babble. Oh my god! Oh. Alright, let's roll this way. JFK, what's up, brother? Ron the waiter has become Ron the trader. What does that mean? What does that mean? Yes, go Bills. All right. I think I'm too trusting, by the way. I left my electric scooter down with the Acoustic guy. Probably shouldn't have done that, but I wanted to show you this view in the rain. All right. There you go. Ron the waiter's a trader because Adam Bush bought him a mattress. I literally don't know who that is. If somebody bought Ron the waiter a mattress, I think that's badass. And I'm sure, no, I already know Ron is very appreciative for that. But with that said, I don't know who Adam Bush is. I'm sorry. So that's the Bethesda Fountain. All right, let's go get my electric scooter and end this live stream. All right, it's a rough one today with the rain. Right about now, I'm hoping my electric scooter's there. I will know in about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I see it. I see it. Oh, we got the, oh damn, we got this again. We got this again. Man. I think I entered into, Anthony's dream. I will do the rest of the song and we'll end the live stream. Central Park legend. All right. Good news. Scooter's still here. That's good. I think that's about it for today. I can walk down this way and then we'll get out of here. If you want more like walking around New York City shit, you know, hit the like, it helps, okay? I'd appreciate it. Whoa. Oh. Taking scooters over stairs always sucks. It's a cool little path over here. We'll end at the boathouse. Behind the boathouse, I'll show you my dark secrets. Tooties. Do you wear a helmet? James Vick says. Well, sometimes. Sometimes I do. But you know, I grew up without helmets, so to me it still seems a little weird. Oh my, we got a warning sign. Caution, harmful algal blooms have been found in this water body. Do not wade or fish near blooms or surface scum. Oh my God, that guy was fishing near the surface scum. And then they gotta tell everybody, do not drink the water. Who has to be told that? Do not drink the water. Oh my God. One of the massage guys they set up on this path. Usually it's like, I don't know, a dozen of them. You roll up as a farmer. You're tired. You've been walking Central Park for hours. You sit down and they crush you. It's like a couple dollars per minute, and boy does that add up quickly.
Ja, sitting mit eye prefix überlaufen.
Oh, here's the boathouse. And the rowboats. Same rowboats, probably from 100 years ago. Literally from 100 years ago. If your grandparents came to Central Park, they were probably in these exact rowboats. They haven't changed those things in a million years.
Oh my god. The griddle. I'll never forget the griddle. That man.
And he took it down. He put down that griddle.
What's down there now? Let me do a quick down dare. What is this called? Oh, they don't know how to spell tree. The Trefoil Arch. The Trefoil Arch. I think they wanted to say tree, but they built this way before we really understood how to speak properly. Wait, I think this is today's ending. The dramatic walk through the arch. Let's do that. That's how we'll end the live stream. Oh my God. I almost had the perfect video.
I want to get my feet wet.
I understand, sir. Have a good day. I'll try again. Here we go. Guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the like on the way out. Stop talking, Hope. Dramatic ending to your live stream in a rainy